Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time for a new video. Rather than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody that watched the video, like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. Maybe we can even pass that, get to 60 or even 70 likes. I don't know. Let's find out. But smash the like button and also subscribe if you are new to the channel, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And also comment start drawing. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Kaguya from Love is War. Hope y'all enjoyed as much as I did. I especially had a lot more fun making this drawing because I tried out a new technique that I haven't tried before on my channel, which was starting off with a base layer with basic shapes, and I moved on to refining the drawing, which made it a lot easier for me to construct the drawing overall. But in the end, I really love the outcome of the drawing, and I think it came out really, really well. I'm going to be leaving this to my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before them you really, really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. I almost forgot for a second that we hit 9,000 subscribers, which is so crazy. So thank you all so much for the constant support, watching my videos, smashing the like button for my videos. I really appreciate each and every single one of you for the constant support. I can't thank you all enough. And once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I want all of my subscribers to participate if you are an artist with something that I have planned for you all. So thank you all for the support, and hopefully you can all continue with me on this journey. So we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Thank you for 9,000 subscribers one more time, and peace out.